How to save for retirement in your 30s. Let's face it, most people in their 30s think about their retirement the same way they think about their health. I'll deal with it later. Sound familiar? But here's the problem. Waiting to save for retirement until your 40s or 50s could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. But what if I told you there's a way to secure your financial future, starting today? And you don't have to be a millionaire to do it. All it takes is understanding the right strategies, and I'm about to show you how. Why you need to start saving for retirement. Now stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the one retirement strategy that could change everything for you. You won't want to miss it. The problem, procrastination, and the retirement gap. Your 30s are a critical time for setting up your future. The problem is, too many people don't start saving for retirement until it's almost too late. Why? Because life gets in the way. You're juggling student loans, a mortgage, and let's not forget about that shiny new car you just bought. Isn't it funny how buying a new car feels like the ultimate achievement until you realize you just tied up all your money into it? And now you're looking at your retirement savings, or rather, your lack of them. But the truth is, the longer you wait to start saving, the more it's going to cost you. Even a few years of delay can set you back hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's get one thing clear. Retirement isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. The Shift: 5 powerful strategies to start saving for retirement in your 30s. So how do you actually save for retirement in your 30s without feeling overwhelmed? Let's break it down. Here are 5 powerful strategies that will put you on the right path. Strategy number 1, start contributing to your retirement accounts today. Yes, today. I'm talking about Roth IRAs, 401ks, and other tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Sure, it's tempting to throw money at the latest gadget or your favorite streaming service, but when was the last time you thought about your future self? Just think about it. Your 30-year-old self could be thanking your 30-something self for investing now. Contributing early to retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA is crucial. Many employers even match your contributions, which is essentially free money. Maximize this benefit. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Now let's talk about something that everyone should take seriously, no matter where you are in your career: saving. Strategy number 2, automate your savings. If you're not automating your retirement contributions, you're doing it all wrong. You don't go to the gym because you feel like it every day, right? It's about consistency. And trust me, automated savings are your gym membership for retirement. Set it and forget it. Automating contributions ensures that you pay yourself first before you have a chance to spend on things that won't matter 20 years from now. Set up a percentage of your income to go directly into a retirement account, and you won't even notice the difference in your paycheck. Next, let's address something that could be holding you back more than you think: debt. Strategy number 3, pay off your high-interest debt as quickly as possible. High-interest credit card debt can be a retirement killer, eating away at your money faster than any investment can grow. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. Eventually, it's going to slow you down. And that backpack, it's your credit card debt. Before you start investing heavily for retirement, clear off those high-interest debts. Credit cards, personal loans, payday loans. These all come with interest rates that can destroy your financial progress. Pay them off and redirect that money into savings and investments. Once you've dealt with debt, the next step is about being intentional with your spending. Strategy number 4, live below your means. This is the single most powerful rule for building wealth, and it applies directly to saving for retirement. Sure, it's tempting to keep up with the Joneses, but what happens when the Joneses retire at 65 and you're still scrambling to make ends meet? Living below your means isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices. The more you can cut back on lifestyle inflation, the more you can contribute to your retirement fund. Focus on what truly adds value to your life and cut the unnecessary expenses. Every little bit counts. Now here's the final strategy, the one that will push your savings into overdrive. Strategy number 5, invest in assets, not liabilities. You need to shift your focus from buying things that depreciate in value to building wealth through assets that appreciate. Remember when you bought that fancy phone or the new car? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, those things won't pay for your retirement. Instead, focus on real estate, stocks, and investments that build wealth over time. By investing in appreciating assets, whether it's the stock market or real estate, you're setting yourself up for a financially secure future. Assets have the power to grow your wealth, while liabilities just drain your pocket. The reward: secure your future and retire with confidence. By following these 5 strategies, you can take control of your financial future right now. You don't need to wait until you're in your 40s or 50s to start saving. Your 30s are the perfect time to get serious about retirement, and the sooner you start, the more you'll benefit. But there's one more thing that most people miss, the one strategy that could accelerate your retirement savings exponentially. And I'll reveal that to you in just a moment. Start implementing these strategies today. Your future self will thank you. You have the power to create the life you want, secure, financially free, and in control. If you found these strategies helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on how to secure your financial future. It's your time. Your retirement starts today.